I've been eating all day, but I'm still hungry.
There's plenty of seaweed in the ocean, Sebastian.
I ate that already.
All of it?
That's right.
What was that?
My tummy growling.
Sebastian,
Oh, man, I'm so lonely way up here. And hungry.
Well? I see you took the big spell.
can you help us?
I'd like to, but of course, my magic only works during a full moon.
Full moon? What's a full moon?
Full moon. You'll get your power back during the full moon.
Wait, what's a full moon?